Welcome to solarcurrent.com. We would like to show you how to plug into the mobile solar array's power distribution center. The power distribution center is conveniently located on the north edge of the array and houses the circuit breakers and power receptacles for all AC loads. Here we are connecting the 30-amp power cord from the motor coach to one of the 125-volt 30-amp receptacles on the power distribution center. The 30-amp receptacle is a L530 that is American Boat and Yacht Council marine rated for wet environments. Please note that an adapter is used to connect the TT30 plug from the motor coach to the L530 receptacle on the power distribution center. After the plug is connected, the 30-amp circuit breaker is switched on, supplying power to the motor coach. Let's take a closer look at the power distribution center. The power distribution center is constructed from marine-grade aluminum and is built for wet outdoor environments using American Boat and Yacht Council standards. This makes it very well suited for safe outdoor operation. The control panel switches at the top are accessible by sliding the cover up with the palm of your hand. Starting on the left side, you will find 4 switches that control the mobile solar array. The first switch on the left, labeled battery ventilation, toggles the ventilation fan from auto to always on. Please note, the battery ventilation fan is automatically turned on to cool the inverters or vent the gases from the batteries, regardless of the switch's position. The second switch, labeled tracking, is used to engage the automatic sun tracking features of the mobile solar array. With this switch in the auto position, the array will rotate and tilt to find the best angle for receiving sunlight. Placing this switch into the manual position enables the next 2 switches, labeled manual controls. These 2 switches can be used to manually point the array at the sun or place the array into position for transport. In the center of the control panel, you will find the mate from Outback Power. The mate is a computer that monitors and controls the Outback inverters and charge controller. The display on the mate will show a fuel gauge, representing the present battery charge, as well as displaying the load connected to the array and the amount of power being generated from the sun. The Outback Power components are the heart of the mobile solar array, and you can find more information at www.outbackpower.com. On the right side of the control panel, you will find the AC circuit breakers. These 5 circuit breakers control the power for each of the 5 receptacles located in the midsection of the power distribution center. These circuit breakers protect and control the 250-volt 60 Hz AC power generated by the mobile solar array. The mobile solar array has 2 15-amp GFI 125-volt circuits, 2 30-amp 125-volt circuits, and 1 50-amp 250-volt circuit. Just below the control panel are the 5 power output ports and 1 inlet. The 5 ports consist of 2 standard 125-volt ground fault receptacles, 2 30-amp 125-volt L5-30 receptacles, and 1 250-volt SS2-50 receptacle. In addition to the 5 power output ports, you will find 1 stainless steel 250-volt SS2-50 inlet port. This port is used to connect the mobile solar array to a generator or grid. In generator mode, the generator will start when the batteries are low, supplying power to the loads. This happens automatically without any disruption in the power delivery. In grid attach mode, excess power generated by the array is sent back into the grid, basically running your home's power meter backwards. Well, there you have it, a detailed overview of the power distribution panel. For more information, please visit www.solar-current.com. Thank you for your time.